Welcome to ICTP. I am Fernando Quevedo, Director of the Center. This video is a short introduction to an institute unique in mission and scope. I invite you to get to know us.
Over the past 5 decades, more than 100,000 visitors from 170 countries have come to the ICTP, making it a valuable place for scientific and cultural exchange. Nobel laureate Abdul Salam founded the Center in 1964. Since then, it has been a driving force for science education in the developing world. Its mission is twofold: to maintain a world-class research program and to provide quality science education and training. The ICTP pursues research in 5 core areas: high-energy cosmology and astroparticle physics, condensed matter and statistical physics, mathematics, Earth system physics, applied physics. Along with its research activities, the ICTP provides a number of academic, training and sabbatical opportunities. These include a year-long postgraduate diploma program for students from developing countries. The Centre, along with the International School for Advanced Studies in Trieste, now offers a joint PhD program. The ICTP also provides training at laboratories in Trieste and throughout Italy, as well as study and sabbatical visits ranging from weeks to years. The ICTP's annual program of more than 60 international conferences and workshops further enhances educational opportunities. Through its Office of External Activities, the Centre supports science networks, meetings, educational programs and exchanges throughout the developing world. Visitors to the ICTP enjoy access to computer facilities linked to scientific databases around the world. They also have access to the Centre's Marie Curie Library, which has one of the finest physics and mathematics collections in Europe. The ICTP is one of the world's most successful examples of scientific capacity building and international cooperation. It will continue to educate and train scientists from developing countries, while at the same time remaining a world-class research centre.